Hi guys, welcome back to another interesting and informative video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write a proper SEO-friendly blog on Rytr for free by step-by-step complete guide. If you do not know about Rytr.com, in short, Rytr is an AI writing assistant that helps you produce high-quality and engaging content in just a few seconds. There are many plans available in Rytr, but in the free plan, you can generate 10,000 characters per month without paying any penny. In the previous video, I show you a free unlimited AI content generator tool. You can also watch the previous video after watching this video. Please do not skip this video. I hope you love this interesting video. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Firstly, you need to have an account on Rytr. I already have an account. I simply go to the login page. Enter your email and password and click on login. Now, after login into the dashboard, we need to create a folder. Simply click on the new folder button and write the folder name, for example, YouTube blogs. After creating a folder, create a new document file, click on the new document button, write blog article topics and click on create the document. Now, select language, select tone to convincing, choose use case to blog idea and outline. Write your primary keyword, for example YouTube SEO full guide, select variance to 2, select creativity level to optimal and click on write blog outlines. Select the best outlines for your blog post and delete unwanted outlines from this list. For example, I select these outlines because these blog ideas are more eye-catching and interesting. Now, select the outline one by one and click on Generate Paragraph to create a full blog. Select the first heading and click on Generate a Paragraph. Repeat selecting the second heading and click on Generate a Paragraph. Select the heading and click on Generate a Paragraph. I skipped this step.
A few moments later.
Wow, amazing! This is a full informative blog with 3097 characters and 600 words. I hope guys you love this video. Please thumbs up on this video and smash the subscribe button for more amazing videos related to make money online and blogging tips and tricks.